We had this patio put in, it's been probably 5 or 6 years ago now, and it was all looking lovely right up until we came out to use it this spring. And look at this. These dank banana plants are just pushing out and damaging our patio. We're definitely going to have to do something about this. We've always been big believers of creating a paradise in our backyard. And once we moved here and we got this patio in place, and then we started the plantings, and it was looking absolutely beautiful back here. So tropical and peaceful. So we love our yard art. Okay, I love my yard art. And as you can see, I've got a little fairy stuck here in the banana plant.
It's actually got a planter back here.
She looks pretty comfy.
And she's in there.
I hope we don't break her when we take her out.
I have to make a decision here. I'm going to keep the bananas and lose the patio, or keep the patio and lose the bananas. But there's one more option. We can thin some of these bananas out and get our patio back and fix it. So that's the option we're going to go with today. Okay, so step one in tackling this battle is the tools we may or may not use. So for safety's sake, number one is the electric chainsaw. Pitchfork for cleanup here. Got a little claw dirt hammer pick thing here that will probably need to be used to get some of the roots out, along with the shovel. I might try and just use the regular old-fashioned handsaw here. This here usually is for cutting branches, but there is a little bit of stuff in here I may need to cut off. And if all else fails, we've got the burner, and we're gonna burn the damn things down. Oh yeah. All right, here goes nothing. We're gonna start with the small one so we can save the fairy planter here. And I'll see if it's gonna work with the old handsaw.
That was easy.
I think we're gonna be able to use the handsaw on all of them. Retta, come here and take a look at this. I want to point something out here. I don't know if you can see this or not, but this thing is clear full of water.
Yep.
So is our lens now. It's clear full of water.
So's my face. Timber.
Timber!
God, come on now. So this is what we're taking down for now. And we're hoping that we'll be able to save the rest in that bed. And that does still leave us some decent sized banana plants growing and still thriving in our flower beds. So fingers crossed.
This is how a backyard logger does this. That's right. I got it, don't worry.
My hero. We all gotta do our part.
So today, we're going to attempt to get these stumps out. But first, I want to show you how these things spread. So if you look over here, down here by my hand, there's 2 more baby plants coming up right here. Back here in the back, we've got 2 more baby plants coming up right there. Right here beside me, we got a baby right here under my hand and another baby right there. If you catch these when they're young, they're not this bad. Those will come out of the ground fairly easily. These will not. So we're just gonna do this and try and get this stuff cut out until we get down as far as we need to go. I'm gonna hand me my shovel there. I'm gonna see if that'll cut through this a little better. Much better, and I'm getting the blocks loose. I won't ruin that baby, but that's okay.
I think we have enough.
What, babies?
Babies.
Yeah. Let me know in the comments if you want me to ship you any of these babies so you can have this problem too. I'd be happy to share the wealth with you. I think that's another baby there I just cut off. Which they have to come out anyway, so. Success. There's one baby right there. We can plant that baby. Don't know what you're gonna find when you're working in the garden. See, I mean, these things aren't but about 12 inches tall, the trunk. Because you've got this one right here, it's dead. It's probably maybe 15 inches tall. If you look down there, you can see the bottom. Down there at the bottom of my shovel, you'll see the bottom of the plant. So most of it grows above ground. All right, I'm gonna take these two out. Oh, that's a baby. That's what was lifting it.
You say that explains why the tile was lifting.
Yeah. That's the roots from the baby there. I don't think I can save it, so I'm just gonna pull it out.
But I don't think you can save it either.
Oops. It actually split this right here. And there you have it. Guess I knew what I was doing after all, didn't I? Alright, I got a little cleanup here, and we got to put some block back in. But I'd say that's fixed for now. I'm probably going to have to come back and address it again sometime, but I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out.
Me too. You know one of my main reasons?
You didn't have to do anything.
I did not have to do a darn thing.
Not perfect.
Well, we got the banana plants all tamed back and patio fixed. Everything's looking beautiful again. If you're enjoying watching Lyn work as much as I do, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. All right, well, there we have it. Lyn does great work.
Yes, I do.
And now that we're all done with this project, we can get back to doing what's important and enjoying our retired life. If you enjoy yard and garden videos, check out what we did with our raised garden bed.